Building a stylish e-commerce site in WordPress shouldn't feel like solving a puzzle. What if you could skip the tedious setup and launch a professional store with just a few clicks? Meet TrendFusion, a retro-styled done-for-you full WooCommerce website template designed to help you create a stylish online store with minimal effort. Hey everyone, this is Ishan from SyncWin and welcome to SyncWin Tools YouTube channel, where we explore tools that help you build a thriving business online. Today we are showcasing our very own product, TrendFusion, a premium WooCommerce template built exclusively for Bricks Builder users. Whether you want to create a fashion boutique, lifestyle brand, or vintage shop, its versatile layout is aimed at simplifying the process of setting up an online store. Gone are the days of piecing together sections or struggling with layouts. It has got your back. But before diving into its features, it's important to note that it is made exclusively for WooCommerce and Bricks Builder and built using automatic CSS, which fuels TrendFusion's design. So you need these two tools to use TrendFusion. With these tools at hand, users can import TrendFusion and begin tailoring their digital store almost instantly. So without taking any more time, let's see what makes TrendFusion stand out. The very first thing is its all-inclusive pre-built templates. From the welcoming homepage and detailed storefront to the streamlined shopping cart checkout sections, everything that's essential for building an e-commerce site is available, and every component has been thoughtfully designed, eliminating the need for extensive initial setup. Every part of TrendFusion is custom built from scratch using Bricks Builder elements, which empower users to rearrange sections, adjust styles, and even swap content elements with minimal effort. This is especially valuable for designers who wish to maintain full creative control of their projects. Recognizing the diversity of today's device landscape, it is engineered to adapt smoothly to every screen size. Whether a visitor accesses the site from a desktop or taps through on a mobile device, the design's responsive nature ensures that the user experience remains flawless and engaging. Not to forget that in today's competitive digital space, performance matters. And to deal with that, it is built with speed in mind. Its lean structure minimizes bloat, resulting in rapid load times that contribute positively to search engine visibility. The design also adheres to best practices for SEO, setting the stage for higher rankings in search results. So if you are a busy entrepreneur who wants a high quality ready to use WooCommerce website template, TrendFusion is your perfect solution, as it offers an efficient pathway to a done-for-you digital storefront. Its blend of trendy retro charm and modern performance equips designers with the tools necessary to stand out in a crowded market. If you are considering adding it to your web design toolkit, check out our dedicated showcase page for product details, resources, and any running deals. You can also visit the official product page for more information. The links are right in the description below. At last, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on amazing tools and templates like this. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.